How to log in to Twitter account. So if you want to log in to Twitter account, then first of all you have to install the Twitter application. So to install, you have to open up your Play Store, and after opening your Play Store, on the search bar you have to search for Twitter, and then you will have this application. You can simply tap on install and install this application, and after installing you can tap on open, which is on the right side. And after opening your Twitter application, you can go to the profile icon, which is on the upper left corner. And then if you want to create your account, then you can tap on create account, or if you want to log in, then you have to tap on login. And now to log in, you have to either continue with your Google, or you can also continue with your email. So you have to tap on login. And now you have to enter your phone number or your email address or your username. So I'll be choosing email. Now tap on next, which is on the bottom right corner, and then here you have to enter your phone or username. And after entering your username, you have to tap on next, which is on the bottom right corner. And now you have to enter your password, but if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option on the bottom left side. You can simply tap on forgotten password, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your password and then tap on login, which is on the bottom right corner. And that's it. That's how you log into your Twitter account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.